Hi everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for July 9th, 2011. Alright, looking at SPY here, we have some signs that profit taking is starting to occur. We are finally getting that pullback that everyone was expecting, and that's something that you have to remember. When everyone is expecting the same thing, most likely it won't happen, especially when the market was so overbought here that everyone was expecting some kind of a pullback, but instead it shot up higher. Now on Friday, as I mentioned, we are starting to see that signs of a pullback. Buyers continue to buy on this dip, and it's holding above that 133 level. So currently around that area is that immediate support level. If it breaks, then we can probably come back and retest or test that 20-day moving average currently around the 131 area. But I suspect that we can probably chop around a little bit more here. We have this huge gap that the buyers need to fill to close in order for the market to move higher. But for the time being, I think the market kind of needs to work out this overbought condition, because the market is still pretty overbought for the time being. And in one way it can do that is basically go sideways, which is pretty bullish because that's forming a small flag, a small base in which it can launch itself higher if there's more buying coming into this market later on, probably into this month. So that's something that I'll be looking for. I mean, we are pretty close to this previous high, so we're not that far away. But overall, most of the stocks are pretty overbought and they need some time to just kind of rest a little bit. As far as our trading, we really haven't been trading a whole lot. Actually, we have, but most of them we tell our members to take profit because they're getting a bit stretched out. The only one that we've just entered yesterday was, or on Friday, was Exam, which broke out of this really nice looking base here, almost a triangle. So broke out above that 26 resistance level. Other than that, a lot of our members are also enjoying some of the stocks like POT, which we told to continue buying on the dips, and this stock looks like it had a huge run on Friday, but it looks ready to pull back a bit or rest a bit, given that it's pretty overbought. I have a special treat for you guys. If you look at the link on the bottom, we have a free webinar for you guys to join. It's not too late. It's tomorrow or Saturday, July 9th, 10 a.m. Pacific time. It'll last for about an hour. So if you guys haven't registered or you don't know about it, the link is down here below, I believe, depending on where they placed the video. But it should be in the info page, and there's a link for you to register and join. And come join us in the webinar. We'll talk more in depth about this market, the stocks that we are watching and trading, and what to expect for the coming weeks.